In this video I'm going to show you how to create a vertical video reel you can use on YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels and TikTok. How to design a quote reel in Canva and give it the best chance to go viral. So make a high quality reel and I will show you how to do that. So click on create a design and here you choose to create a reel, and to make it a high quality reel you must add a really good video background. Click on video here, and to give your reel the best opportunities to go viral, choose a majestic nature video. Now we are going to add the actual quote, and I am choosing a text I have written myself. I'm going to paste it here and I am going to change the font and I'm going to make the text bold. And I realize that this text is a little bit too abstract. Let's change the text here to make it more appealing to an audience on TikTok or Instagram or Facebook. Forget the words. Enjoy the euphoria of the forever unformulated experience. Now I'm going to add a framed photo of the author, in my case myself, and I suggest that you do the same. It's much better if you have your own text. So go to frames and search for circle frames. This one is good, and let's change the color of the border like this. And now I'm going to add a photo, so I'm clicking here on uploads, and here I can upload a photo or I can choose from the photos I have already uploaded here. So let's choose this one, like this. Now I only have to add my name. Let's click on T and that will insert text here. Let's click on the play button here and look at the result. I want to make the film a little bit shorter, so let's drag. Now I can just download the film by clicking on the share button here and then download as an MP4 video. But if I want to make the video really high quality, then I can, if I don't have a paid Canva account, I can just copy everything, drag and copy everything, and I can paste it on a 4K canvas. Or if I have a paid Canva account, I can change the size of the canvas. And if you don't have a paid Canva account, you can just create another canvas this size and copy and paste everything. So let's copy and resize. And now I can just click on share and download, and I will get a beautiful 4K quote video. I can upload to Instagram and Facebook and as a YouTube short and on TikTok.